Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a hot minute since I think we've posted our last vlog. I think it's been since Australia. So today we're actually at the FoxFire Heritage Farm and we're staying at a yurt, so it's kind of behind us here, if you can see. And we're gonna be staying here for the whole day, kind of doing some hiking and some snowshoeing and some activities. There's a bunch of animals around here too. So we're heading into the yurt right now. And Alicia's gonna be our little real estate tour guide.
There's a barbecue for cooking because there's not actually any electricity inside, so you have to cook over there. When we first booked this place, we actually didn't think it was going to be two separate rooms. We thought everything was going to be in one room, but if you come over here, you'll actually notice that there's a separate bedroom. There's a big, looks like queen size bed, and then interestingly enough, there's little pieces of artwork hanging and they're all for sale. You have your bedroom, and if you look up, there's a skylight. This one has a tarp over it, but if you look back to the living room, there's actually a beautiful skylight up there that lets all the natural light in, and I'm excited for tonight when the stars come out and we can just stand in the warm and watch the stars.
At the property, there's a lot of animals here, so we're gonna go and check them out, and Alicia is excited they actually just had 2 baby calves. I think one was born yesterday and one like a week ago or something like that. So we're gonna go see them hopefully too. Okay, so I don't know that much about pigs, but these pigs seem really big to me.
You pigs are such pigs. All you do is eat.
Hi.
Look at them.
Over here.
Okay, so we were wrong. These are the biggest pigs I've ever seen in my life. Like, they're actually massive.
And I didn't realize that their ears like make for sunglasses. Like look at their ears covering their eyes. Oh yeah.
That's the spot.
Goodness.
That's Treasure.
Oh.
She just had her calf, not even 48 hours ago.
Oh my goodness.
Let's go calf name go and
Is
socialize with it.
Oh my gosh, you're just so tiny. Hi.
So we just walked around for a bit. Alicia tried to open wine. We forgot to...
I did.
Successfully did. We forgot a corkscrew, so we had to push it in. We just Googled it, and that's apparently something that people do. So we're just gonna make some sandwiches, and then we're gonna go and check out the hiking trails. All right, we just finished eating lunch, and we're just getting ready to go snowshoeing. We just walked up. It's literally like, what, like a 2-minute walk to the trail?
Yeah.
And he said you can go 2 ways, and they both loop around, so we might do the whole loop. And we'll show you guys what's out there.
You stick your foot through it. And yeah, no. Are you joking? No. You have to put your foot like in the hole.
This thing?
Yeah. And then pull it behind your boot. You just do it.
Tired from doing that.
You did it though.
Feels really weird.
Why does it feel weird?
Like I have clown shoes. So we just got back from our hike and we're gonna start a little fire because it's starting to get cold. Really excited for the sunset. It's gonna be facing like perfectly against the yurt, so we're gonna get a lot of cool pictures, and hopefully it's really windy right now. I'm hoping we can have a fire. We have like a little fireplace in the yurt anyway, even if we can't do it, but hopefully we can have one outside. How many Alicias does it take to make a fire?
1, because I'm good at this stuff.
Let's see.
I am from the bush.
So I'm going over under 20 minutes until she needs my help. I'm gonna go over 20 minutes. I'm just gonna watch. So I was wrong. You made it happen. It's gonna be nice and warm for tonight.
It's almost sunset, so Joe and I are going to get some drone shots of the farm animals and just the farm because the lighting's really good. So we're gonna try to be respectful and not scare them, so if it starts to freak them out, we're gonna stop.
So we're getting close to sunset. Leash just started the fire. So we're gonna try and I have this drone shot idea in my head and we're gonna try and see if I can get it while sunset's going on because it's gonna be perfect. Well, it's been good, but it's too cold, so we're trying to kill the fire. We just headed inside. We tried to do that campfire, but it was starting to get pretty cold. So we're just warming up. Alicia's making some sandwiches.
Yeah.
And we're gonna try our best. We're gonna wait and see. Hopefully we get some really nice stars tonight, and it'll be kind of hard to show you with just the camera. We'll take some photos and show you kind of what the experience will be like. And then after that, we're just probably gonna honestly just relax and go to bed.
The next day.
Good morning! So, we just woke up. We're a wee bit tired still. Are you tired, Joe? Yeah. We woke up and the yurt got a little bit chilly because the fire and the wood stove went out. So I think at like 6:30 this morning we both got up. We didn't film it, but we had to make a new fire. So now it's 9:30 because we went back to bed. And I've got the kettle on the wood stove. Gonna make some coffee.
It's a real mansion. This axe is just very tiny. I'm used to like really big ones. So we woke up in the middle of the night, freezing cold. So make sure you have a lot of logs ready, because depending on the time of the year, I think it can get really cold.
Ooh! Good job, honey.
Coffee's taking a while to boil, so we're just gonna try and put a bunch of logs and make a big fire. Hopefully that like helps a bit, because I really need coffee right now.
It's been on there for like 25 minutes.
We just woke up and had some really we have instant coffee, and it's like we don't have milk or cream or like anything, so it's pretty it tastes like Lombok coffee, kind of.
It does kind of taste like Lombok coffee.
So we were in Indonesia, and it's called Lombok coffee. It's like this really like thick, syrupy coffee. I guess it's like Turkish coffees, like what they said is like very similar to it. And this tastes exactly like it, but probably even worse. I feel like we're in like a morning with Joe and Alicia.
Troy and Abbott in the morning.
Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hopefully this kind of made your decision easier to come and stay in a yurt.
So much more memorable than just another hotel stay.